Alright, here we come to the elevator at the Veterinary Science Building, Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This is an interesting elevator. You might think this is a modern one, but look at the cab on the inside. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's got your impulse fixtures, but look at this rear door here. That light is already burned out. I like that tray lighting right here. Anyways, this is the elevator with the interesting side door. Let's get on the B. Look at this. This is the one with the interesting side door. Look at this, has got a manual door. And look. There's the machine right there. Alright, we're gonna close it gently. This thing does slam, so I'm gonna have to close it gently. Alright, let's go 3. I'm gonna watch the number all the way up. Two's burned out. Three works. Only the number 2 is burned out on the floor indicator. Alright, we'll go down to 1 and there. Okay, I really love this elevator cab. These are your impulse fixtures. This used to be a motion elevator installed in 1955 until I got this mod in 2000 according to the records. Here's your ADA phone with an elevator maintenance sign. The button already goes out. And here we are at 1. This is a really nice find. There it goes. And that's it.